Okay, I recently purchased a Rule 2000 bilge pump to fix what the mess that's down there, and I wanted to go vertically up with the hose, but obviously with the outlet on the rule it's out through the side. So I picked up this. Very hard to find out how this connects. It's a model 57. It says 90-degree elbow adapter 1 1/8 to 1 inch MPT. And when you do the homework on the Rule 2000, these outlets are straight 1 1/8 OD to suit 1 1/8 hose ID. So I couldn't find much online, so I thought I'll help someone else out and explain how this fits on to this. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is pull some dimensions from this, and then I'll do the same for the bilge pump. Now I'm doing this one-handed, so I'm going to have to stop and start, so be patient with me. Okay, firstly, how am I going to do this one-handed? Okay, this is the old camera between the knees. So this is a 1 inch MPT plug. I know that, I purchased it the other day, and all going well. Yes, nice fit. So confirmed 1 inch MPT, no big deal there. Next, OD, for what it's worth, 31.8 by the look of things. ID, that's a good test of my eyes, isn't it? 28.3. Okay, so this is the Rule 2000. It's quite a heavy little sucker. Okay, outside diameter 28 something. It's just a straight snap into there, and it's fairly loose. Like I said, it's fairly loose. It actually easily comes off. Now, I don't know if you can see in there, you rub your finger in there, there's a little lip, little recess for this edge here, so it will seat in there, but as I showed you, it's fairly loose, so it'll be interesting to see how good a seal we have. Anyway, I hope that helps people. Certainly helped me. I wish I had had the resource earlier. Thank you.